Friends, hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here today. We're making the most delicious pink hummus with roasted vegetables. Let's start by giving our canned chickpeas a good rinse under cold water. Gently remove the little skins that come off as you rinse. Place the chickpeas into a deep bowl. Peel 2 cloves of garlic. Grate them finely on a small grater. Grate about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Squeeze the lemon juice. We'll need around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Cut 2 boiled beets into medium pieces. Add the beets to the bowl with the chickpeas. Add 2 tablespoons of tahini paste as well. Sprinkle with salt to taste. Add some smoked paprika. And just a little cumin. Pour in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add 2 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Mix everything together until it looks well combined. Now just blend it all up until it turns into a smooth, creamy hummus. Dear friends, don't lose me. Hit subscribe so we can always stay connected. Peel the shallot. Slice it lengthwise into wide strips. Slice the garlic into thin pieces. Cut the green stalks of leek. Place a bunch of broccolini into a deep bowl. Rinse well with clean water. Lay the broccolini out on a dry towel. Pat it gently with the towel to remove extra water. Drizzle some olive oil into a pan. Add in all the prepared vegetables. Place a small branch with cherry tomatoes as well. Add the rest of the broccolini and let the vegetables sauté for 3 to 5 minutes. Season with salt to taste. Add ground black pepper. Turn the vegetables over to the other side. Let them cook for a few more minutes. Friends, tell me in the comments where you're watching from. I'd love to know. Take the roasted vegetables out of the pan. These These veggies smell amazing. You'll want to taste them right away. Share in the comments which vegetables you cook most often this season. Spread the pink hummus onto a plate. Smooth it evenly across the surface. Place the roasted vegetables on top. Doesn't this look beautiful? And the aroma is just heavenly. Stay close by subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. Share this simple and wholesome recipe with your friends. I'll be waiting for you in the comments, and we'll meet again in the next video.